fabulous people. It is tea time with Tia. Today I am going to show you how to make your own almond butter from scratch. What I did was I purchased a bag of raw almonds, and from Kroger actually, and therefore I came home, soaked them for about overnight or 8 hours, at least 8 hours. And then what I did was rinse them off real good, put them in my dehydrator. After dehydrating them for about 24 hours, then I put them in this drawer right here. And I've already taken some of them out and put it in my Ninja processor. And the two ingredients I wanted to add with it was a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of honey. But before I added that, I actually had enough smooth consistency without that. But because the taste of almond by itself, dehydrated, it's not going to taste like your commercial almond butter. So therefore, you might want to put a little honey to flavor it a little. So this is how it works. I put a lot of these in here, and I had already started the process, so as you can see, it's already smooth. But let me show you how it works. So you can do this about maybe 10 to 15 minutes or longer, depending upon the consistency that you like. And voila, you have raw almond butter. So if you like this, please comment below, and I hope that you visit me next time when I show you how to make the next recipe. And until the next time you sit with me, God bless you and enjoy your tea.